Vehicles have always been an impressive invention with remarkable rebuilds, and today we are here with amazing transport concept vehicles you must see. Do you wonder how it would feel to sleep peacefully in your car on the road full of rush? Or do you see no cops roaming around because there will be no accidents? The day is not so far, and you are about to experience all this. Let's dive straight into the video and find out about some of the amazing concept vehicles. At first, we have an intriguing project in China that made global headlines. The TEB, Transit Elevated Bus, Project Bus quickly drew a lot of attention because it seemed like a brilliant idea. If you haven't seen or heard of TEB, it was a massive bus that sat on tracks. The main distinction between a regular bus and a TEB was that China's project traveled on rails rather than through traffic. The bus had plenty of space on the bottom for cars to drive under, making it ideal for any city with traffic issues. The project seemed promising at first, but it quickly fizzled out. There appears to be no indication that the country intends to resume operations. The last time some news came out about the project was when the arrests were made in 2017. The next one on the list is the Zero Impact Concept Truck, which foresees the switch to green energy and autonomous driving in long-distance haulage. The Iveco Z truck breaches every restriction to be a zero-impact vehicle for a totally sustainable transport system. Through optimized liquefied natural gas technology and the use of biomethane, the Iveco Z truck emits zero CO2. The concept is based on a heavy truck that runs on bio-LNG and has conformable tanks, improved aerodynamics, and a waste heat recovery system to provide long-haul transportation with a 2,200-kilometer autonomy and virtually zero emissions. Getting forward to the next one, we have the Willy Bus, a futuristic concept created by designer Tad Orlowski that replaces the bus's walls with large transparent LCD screens. Anyone that's been to Las Vegas and caught a glimpse of the hot babes billboards circling around the city knows that vehicle advertising can be effective, at least at grabbing your attention. The concept utilizes new trends in technology to transform city landscapes and provide an added element to getting around town, although no material selection is specified. This raises concerns about how protective this wall design is when compared to traditional bus frames. The concept is unquestionably more concerned with design features than engineering details. At number 4, we have the Volvo Ants concept. With this Volvo Ants concept, designer Alex Marzo attempted to change how overland cargo is shipped. Volvo Ants is a redesigned big rig that is both environmentally and economically friendly. The rig has a sleek design and can accommodate containers from diverse stores. With all of the greening of the automobile industry, you'd think someone would develop a biofuel or electric big rig. That hasn't happened yet, but it is on its way. Big rigs continue to clog and pollute America's roads and will do so for some time. However, Volvo Ants with its electric engine and smart storage space would contribute to environmental cleanup. Now it's time for the last concept vehicle for today's video, the semi-autonomous Mercedes Euro X. It is designed as a bridge between human-operated trucks and fully autonomous vehicles. The cabin has no windows, but the driver is present and has been relocated to the center. It is somewhere in the middle of the extreme minimalism of other driverless concepts and current designs. The pointed face of the Euro X cabin cuts through the air, reducing resistance and increasing mileage. There are no windows, but that doesn't mean no one is on board. A comfortable space for a driver, relocated to the cabin center and the lower position where they can monitor systems while kicking back and enjoying the ride. They can, of course, take over in difficult situations or when more attention is required. The most curious and forward-minded motoring enthusiasts look forward to concept vehicles as guides for what the motoring landscape could look like in the future, whereas the talent and creativity among automotive designers are hard to deny. The automotive industry has witnessed its fair share of genuinely jaw-dropping concepts. With this note, we are now at the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We'll see you at the next one.